Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to look at a 2013 Cadillac ATS. We're going to replace bulbs on them, the headlight bulbs. In the manual, it says you have to remove the entire bumper, but I found a little trick so that we don't have to remove the entire bumper. For the passenger side, you remove these bolts right here. They're 10 millimeters that hold this entire assembly in place. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you can move it out of the way ever so slightly and reach your hand in here to the location of where the bulb itself is placed. It has a cover on there, right, that just twists on and off, that you can remove, and then you'll be able to get to the headlight, the headlamp, that you can kind of see. The passenger side, you just remove the airbox and then the plastic cowl that you see there, and then you'll be able to gain access to it right here to replace the headlight bulbs. No need to remove the entire bumper. Just a quick video. Thanks again for watching.